Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tonico Facial is probably one of the most talked about skincare products in recent years, and for good reason. This versatile product offers a range of benefits, from balancing your skin's pH to minimizing pores and improving the overall appearance of your complexion. But with so many options available, choosing the right Tonico Facial can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of facial toners, exploring their various functions, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to incorporate into your skincare routine. Number 5. Badescu Facial Spray. This refreshing face mist is perfect for all skin types. It's lightweight and easily absorbed, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and revitalized. It's formulated with a blend of soothing aloe, revitalizing herbs, and balancing rosewater. These ingredients work together to create a truly unique and effective formula. It provides instant hydration, helping to quench thirsty skin and restore its natural radiance. It leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. It helps to clarify your complexion, leaving it looking brighter and more even-toned. It also provides a refreshing boost throughout the day. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, it's gentle enough for daily use. It's the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Experience the difference of this unique facial spray. It's the perfect way to hydrate, rejuvenate, and clarify your skin for a healthy, radiant glow. What we like. If you have dry or dull skin and want a refreshing mist to revitalize your complexion, this is for you. It provides intense hydration, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated and clarified. This face mist is perfect for a quick pick-me-up any time of day. What people say. The fine mist feels incredibly soothing on the skin, providing instant moisture without feeling heavy or sticky. The aloe and rose water combination leaves my face feeling calm, hydrated, and refreshed, making it perfect for use throughout the day, whether to set makeup, refresh during a long day, or simply as a burst of hydration. Moisturizes well and makes my skin soft. The rosewater scent is light and calming, and it leaves my skin feeling fresh and dewy without any stickiness. It's great for setting makeup too. Number 4. CeraVe Hydrating Toner. This pH-balanced toner gently cleanses and removes impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and healthy. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to soften and smooth your skin while locking in moisture. It helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. This non-alcoholic, non-astringent formula is gentle and non-drying, leaving your skin feeling balanced and soothed. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It won't clog your pores. This toner contains 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. Developed with dermatologists, it's suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. What we like. If you are looking for a gentle, hydrating toner that won't irritate sensitive skin, this is the one. It's formulated with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to lock in moisture and soothe dryness. This is ideal for sensitive skin types. What people say. You can see the dirt that is left behind from washing on the cotton ball. I can see a difference in my pore size also. Prep skin for next step. It balances and hydrates the skin beautifully. It works well above its price tag. It's great for drier skin. My skin felt real soft and healthy. It gives you a really nice clean feeling without completely stripping your skin or causing too much damage. It's great as a first step to prep your skin for other products, and it feels good with no irritation when it goes on. The lack of witch hazel also means you should be able to use it daily without problems. Number 3. Glow Recipe PHA+BHA Toner. It harnesses the power of Korean beauty philosophies, combining hydration, exfoliation, and amino-rich ingredients to retain moisture and soothe your skin. It minimizes the look of pores and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This hydrating toner is packed with watermelon extract, cactus water, and hyaluronic acid. It provides deep, long-lasting hydration, plumping and moisturizing even the driest skin. It uses polyhydroxy acids, PHAs, to gently remove buildup and smooth your skin. The BHAs and tea tree extract clean, decongest, and reduce the appearance of pores without irritation. After cleansing, gently press it into your face and neck until fully absorbed. You can also apply it with a cotton pad. Remember to avoid the eye area and always follow with sunscreen during the day. It's free of parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, drying alcohols, and synthetic dyes. This vegan and cruelty-free toner is gentle yet effective, leaving you with soft, healthy-looking skin. Always patch test before first use. What we like. If you like Korean skincare and want a multitasking toner, this is a great option. It gently exfoliates, hydrates, and minimizes the appearance of pores, leaving your skin glowing and healthy. This toner is perfect for those who want to improve their skin texture and reduce pore size. What people say. It didn't leave my face feeling sticky. It was very smooth. It's thick enough for it to melt into your skin. Never found a toner that truly makes my skin look so hydrated and healthy. It's kinda that glass skin effect and I like the smell. Tried the travel size and it's lasted me 2 months so far and I use every day, sometimes twice. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Toner. This toner is specifically designed to clarify your skin. It's a gentle yet effective solution for clearer skin. It contains salicylic and glycolic acids, which work together to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. These acids help to refine your skin's texture. This powerful toner helps to refine the appearance of pores, leaving your skin looking smoother and healthier. It's perfect for oily skin. It provides gentle exfoliation without harsh scrubbing. It helps to reveal brighter, more radiant skin. Experience clearer, healthier-looking skin with this clarifying toner. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. This toner is specially formulated for oily skin types. It helps control oil and shine throughout the day. What we like. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and need a powerful clarifying toner, this is your best bet. It uses salicylic and glycolic acids to exfoliate, unclog pores, and fight acne. This toner is perfect for those who want to clear up blemishes and improve skin clarity. What people say. It has truly transformed my skin. My complexion looks brighter and more even, and it has helped balance my skin, reducing the occasional breakouts I used to struggle with. The best part is how light and refreshing it feels on my skin. It absorbs quickly without any greasy or heavy residue. My face feels clean, hydrated, and smooth after each use. Doesn't smell bad and helps control my oily skin while also helping with dark spots. Doesn't dry out your face and isn't super harsh. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris HydraFresh Toner. Experience the refreshing sensation of HydraFresh Toner. It's a gentle, alcohol-free formula that's perfect for all skin types. It sweeps away dullness, revealing brighter, more radiant skin. The beta-hydroxy acid gently exfoliates without harshness. This toner helps protect your skin's natural moisture barrier. Pro-vitamin B5 locks in hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. See the difference. It reveals a smoother, brighter complexion. You'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Simply apply it to your face morning and night with a cotton pad. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. It's 99% alcohol-free and dermatologist-tested for gentle, effective cleansing. Suitable for even the most sensitive skin. What we like. If you want a simple, alcohol-free toner that brightens and soothes your skin, this is a good choice. It's gentle enough for daily use and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. This is a great option for those with normal to combination skin. What people say. The skin feels so soft after using it. Removes any excess makeup that was left behind. This toner is super hydrating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.